Teachers shared drive, maths, faculty, FX 9860 emulator, right click, copy. Go to your desktop, right click, paste. Copy but keep both files so that I can leave mine there. Now double click and run. What you now have is a calculator emulator that you can use with Screencast. So you can do everything that you would normally do with a calculator. If I go sine of 30, then you will see that it's not right because I need to go shift setup and I need to change radians to degrees, execute. So you can have that open, and you could have, for example, GeoGebra open at the same time. So I'm just going to randomly open cyclic quads for no particular reason and let that open. And so this particular file, it's interactive. It actually can look at this. These two is the same as that, and if we look at green, maybe not, let's look at blue. These two is the same as that. Therefore, these two is half of those two. So you can build up understanding, and likewise with those. So what are you proving in the end? You're proving that this and this and this and this must add to 180. This and this and this and this must add to 180, because in the centre here it adds to 360. Now if that's hard to see, we can do another proof here. So random video where I'm just showing you calculator emulator, GeoGebra, using Screencast. It's all good fun. And you know, Paint, sometimes people go, oh, that's new. Paint is actually something that can be overlooked for maths, but get your pen out and you can do some kind of a drawing and fill it in, and then you can select it, Control C and Control V it, and you can actually reflect it. You can grab the whole mirror image and you can resize it. So I might decide to go 40%. Okay, Control C, Control V, I've done a translation, and I could grab all of that, Control C, Control V, and then this time, you guessed it, I am going to flip horizontally and line them up. Now the whole thing, Control C, Control V, I can now resize perhaps to make it smaller, and I could rotate it by 90 if I wanted to. Control C, Control V. So we can build up some pretty good patterns using quite a good lot of maths just using Paint. Okay, so there's my other random PD. Oh, now I see that I didn't actually make those upside down, did I? Control C. Oh, I don't need to do that. I can just flip vertically. There we go, that's better. Okay, done. Speedy.